Good evening, Fighting Blue Jay fans and visitors. Welcome to the 2025 Homecoming Game. This is our 2025 Homecoming Court. Representing the freshman class, R.J. Truesdale, the son of Kirsten O'Kernick. He is the freshman class president, football player, number 53, and is very dedicated to his team and weightlifting. RJ plans to continue to be dedicated to football and focus on his future education goals. He would like to thank his mom for being a great role model and all of his friends and family for being there when he needs them. He would also like to thank his coaches for pushing him to be a better player every day. Aaliyah Brown is the daughter of Annette Perry and Ray Brown. Aaliyah is being escorted by her dad, Ray Brown, and her cousins, Nash and Laurel Curry. She is a true cheerleader and involved in Key Club, SAD, and Oak Club. After high school, Aaliyah would like to go to cosmetology school, continue cheerleading, and become a football coach. Aaliyah would like to give a thank you to her friends, coaches, family, cheer team, and a huge thank you to her best friend, Lizzie Clayton, for always being there when she needs him, and her father, Ray Brown, for always supporting her. And lastly, she would like to give a thank you to God. Representing the sophomore class, we have Carter Headley, who is the son of Sean and Amy Headley. Carter enjoys football, hunting, and fishing. Carter's future plans are to work in a skilled trade after graduation. Carter would like to thank his parents and siblings for all of their love and support, and his girlfriend, Jocelyn, for always being by his side. Jocelyn Sellers is the daughter of Christy and Bob Sellers. Jocelyn is escorted by her parents, Christy and Bob, brother Robert, and sister Natalie. Jocelyn has been a part of student council for the past 2 years and is currently the class treasurer. She is a member of Key Club. Jocelyn enjoys playing travel and high school softball. After high school, Jocelyn plans on attending college to pursue a degree in pediatrics. Jocelyn would like to thank her parents, siblings, and family for always being there. She would also like to thank her best friend Kenzie for always being by her side and her boyfriend Carter for always supporting her. Representing the junior class, we have Caleb Combs, the son of William and Christian Combs. He is a part of Jackson-Milton's golf team. After graduating high school, Caleb plans on going to trade school to pursue a career as an electrician. Caleb would like to thank his family and his friends. Nora Schwartz is the daughter of Lindy Schwartz and Jim Schwartz. Nora is being escorted by her mom, Lindy, her brother, Wesley. She is involved in cross country, golf, SAD, Key Club, 4-H, track, basketball, and is junior class secretary. After graduating high school, Nora would like to attend the United States Naval Academy to study aerospace engineering. Afterwards, she hopes to attend flight school in Pensacola. Nora would like to thank her mom for supporting and believing in her every day, Wesley for being the funniest and most supportive brother in the world, and her friends for making high school fun. She would also like to thank God for blessing her and her family. Representing the senior class and running for this year's King and Queen, Elijah Handrich is the son of Casey and Lucas Bateman. He is involved in 4-H, track, football, student council, and is the senior class vice president. Upon graduation, Elijah plans to attend the Ohio State University to major in construction management. Elijah would like to thank his family, members, friends, and all his coaches who pushed him to be his best. Above all, he would like to thank his Savior, Jesus Christ. senior class treasurer, student council, is a 4-year letter winner in cross-country captain, a 4-year letter winner in track, a 4-year letter winner in cheerleading, cheer captain, and cheer time athletics All-American team. Upon graduation, Abigail plans to attend YSU to pursue a career in physical therapy. Abby would like to thank her family, friends, coaches, teachers, and God for blessing her throughout every stage of her life.
Tell him to take it up because he's in the picture.
Hey, Connor, take it up. You're in the pictures.
Jackson-Milton is the son of Kadin Stratton. Jackson is escorted by Kadin Stratton and Zach Esterman.
Go
He is a
upward.
2-year letter winner in basketball, a 4-year letter winner in golf, and a 1-year letter winner in baseball. Upon graduation, Jackson plans on pursuing an engineering degree at an undecided university. Jackson would like to thank his God for being at everything and his friends for always being there for him when he needs them. Katie Myers, the daughter of Jerry Myers and Joy Myers. Katie is escorted by her mother, Joy, and sister Megan. Katie has played high school softball for 4 years, travel softball for 7 years, community softball for 8 years, has been involved in 4-H for 9 years, is a member of NHS, SAD, Key Club, Reserve Heroes, Student Council, Student Representative, Yearbook, and Drama Club. Katie enjoys lifting, reading, and hanging out with her friends. She plans to attend YSU and major in humanity and social sciences, as well as join a sorority. Katie would like to thank her parents, sister, grandparents, coaches, teammates, and her friend Angela for all their lifelong support. Katie Ruby is the son of Christy and Matt Ruby. He is a 3-year letter winner in varsity baseball. Upon graduation, Katie plans to play college baseball and major in finance. Katie would like to thank his family, coaches, teammates, and classmates for all that they have done for him. Charlie Saunders is the daughter of Jody Saunders. Charlie is escorted by her mom, Jody, and sisters Bree and Dana Saunders. She is involved in softball, volleyball, Key Club, SAD, Student Council, NHS, and is senior class secretary. Upon graduation, Charlie would like to go to college and major in psychology and become a child psychologist. Charlie would like to thank her family, friends, coaches, and teammates for being supportive, always encouraging her. Brock Hyatt is the son of Dean Hyatt and Ashley Gismark. Brock is escorted by Dean and Amanda Hyatt and Ashley Gismark. He is on the Jackson-Milton soccer, football, and wrestling team. Brock is also an 8-year member of SBA soccer. Upon graduation, Brock plans on attending college to become a history teacher. He would also like to continue his soccer career in college. Brock would like to thank his family and friends for supporting him. He wouldn't be the man he is today without their continued support. Tiffany Tingbrook is the daughter of Heidi and Roger Dominic and Jeff Tingbrook. She is involved in volleyball, softball, Key Club, SAD, National Honor Society, Student Council, and club volleyball. Upon graduation, Tiffany plans to attend college for computer engineering. Tiffany would like to thank her parents for pushing her to do her best and her family and friends for supporting her. Jack McDevitt is the son of Kelly and Gordon McDevitt. Jack is a 4-year letter winner in football, a 3-year letter winner in wrestling, a 3-year letter winner in baseball, Key Club, SAD, and is the current NHS president. Jack's future plans upon graduation are to pursue a degree for a career in construction. coaches, teammates, mom, dad, brothers, and sisters. And now, in 2025, homecoming king and queen are...
Hang on there. They haven't even gotten their Mississippi game.
The king and queen for this year are... Elijah